Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys laptop setting, and today friends I'm going to show you guys how to power on laptop. Friends, you have powered on your laptop and friends now you want to on. So how to power on today friends I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, first of all what do you have to do to power on your laptop? Friends, you can see right side get this first button, power on button. When we will press here, and friends you can see your laptop will power on guys. After 20 and 15 seconds laptop will power on, and then enter your password and you can unlock your laptop. So friends, we will enter password. So with my password I will enter, and friends you can check your password from here, enter it. So friends, your laptop will unlock, and friends now you can operate your laptop guys. And friends, you want to refresh your laptop, so guys press button right side and refresh it. So friends, like that you can power on. And friends, you want to power off, so friends you can power off from here guys. So like that guys we can on power on our laptop guys. So I friends you understood how to power on laptop. And friends, direct friends you can power off from here guys. Tap here home screen page, friends you can see this power off. You want to power on, click here, and guys you can power off your laptop guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Friends, it went out related to guys your PC and laptop, so you can ask me comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.